We're here to introduce our new listing, just on the market. We're getting a phenomenal amount of attention. The reason's simple. It's a great combo. A Beverly Hills classic, updated and modernized for today's needs. 23,000 square feet of pure bliss. It's something I'm sure you'll not want to miss.
Perfect combination of indoor-outdoor living, the true essence of California. Exposed beams, fireplace, not your average wet bar. This has it all.
This was the library, but nobody reads books anymore now, so it's the dining room. Add a bit on to each end of the table, and you can get 20 people in here any night of the week.
What doesn't this home have to offer? This spacious, fluid floor plan. Imagine Super Bowl Sunday, hanging out with 50 of your fabulous friends, cooking a feast on this 6-burner Wolfe oven. Everybody surrounded around this large island, taking in the breathtaking views of the backyard.
No house is complete without its master. This takes the cherry. I just want to run barefoot.
This is my favorite room in the house. The rustic beams, the farmhouse feels. So you think you've seen it all?
Not quite. We have a first. His and her garages. 2 for him, 2 for her. 4 more in the carport, 6 more in the driveway. Your own private highway. It's all very swish.